This game's a nightmare. I find myself saying that a lot more lately. Hey guys, welcome back to Zone Rule 16. I am your host Javon, and today we have a brand new benchmark, Forza Horizon 5 for the PC. To be running this on my Intel Core I7-4790. Damn it, Rooster, really right now? Not now, man, of all times. With the AMD RX570 4GB VRAM graphics card, I'm running at 1080p on the ultra quality setting with the medium preset. Now, I told you all this just to tell you, you can see this, do you see that RAM up in the top left there? That says about 7.8 gigabytes of RAM it's taking up. That's not good when I only have 8. That's just not good. So right off the bat, as you can tell, this game is already severely lacking me in the RAM department. So this actually is a pretty different video because I updated my drivers from 2.19 to 2.11 or 2.111, something like that, so that we can actually see how the game actually performs. And as you can see, it is extremely smooth. Every time I have recorded a video of this, I have always gotten sticks, freezes, as you can tell in the videos. It's playing incredibly smooth now. The only issue is that the RAM, obviously, 8 gigabytes is not enough to play Forza Horizon 5. Unfortunately, that's just the case. But with the update, I didn't even get the setting where it was like, we can't play this, you need to update your drivers. It didn't come up like that. It just ran right off the bat. So with this running, it actually plays considerably well. I can't afford to carry up the RAM anymore. Like I said, I'm using every ounce of my RAM right now, and it's not gonna end well for me. I just decided to do an updated video showing you guys that it does perform better once you update your drivers to the latest version. For some reason, that's a thing. Where a game comes out, it's like, hey, only for the latest version will we run properly on your setup. No other version. And as you can see, there's a lot of issues with the backgrounds and stuff. Like, there's a lot of popping you'll get simply because the game it can't keep up. They need to fix that with the RAM stability. It shouldn't take 8 gigs of RAM right off the bat, because you're going to get issues like this when this happens. As you can see, it's definitely limited bandwidth. The CPU ain't even stressing. The CPU ain't stressing. Which is why, for those of you with this issue, I would recommend frame capping the FPS to 60, somewhere around there, so you can have a smoother experience, you know, less processing power going out at one time. But because of the RAM limitation, you're going to get instances that happen like this. So if you're wondering about this, unfortunately at this point in time, you'll need to wait for an update. Hopefully they've managed to fix that, because otherwise it just shows that you need more RAM. It's quite unfortunate. It's an exclusive that has a crazy amount of issues at the beginning. I'm getting a lot of complaints from people about differences. This is with the update that I posted earlier that makes the game more stable, but definitely with the updated drivers it definitely helps, because there's no crashes. It just tells me that I'm running out of RAM. There are no crashes anymore. I don't have those. Wouldn't it be funny if I said I don't get any more crashes, then I got a crash? Wouldn't that be funny? I feel like my PC the game wants to tell me that. I feel like the game says, "Hey, you said you weren't getting no more crashes? Hard crash."
Drop zone approaching.
Luckily, that's not the issue here. Okay, so the RAM has dropped down. It's gone down to 7 gigs. It's gonna quickly climb back up. Just let it build back in for a second, but it's unfortunate that there is a RAM issue like this, because the game would play fine if I had more RAM. Otherwise, you're going to run into situations like this where it can't stream in the textures quick enough and it freaks it out. I feel like this is the only game I've had this issue in to such a degree. I feel like it caught itself now. It caught itself a bit. I mean, look at it. So we're going to take off ultra quality. We're just going to play the game as it's natural. We're going to turn off ultra quality, resolution scaling, and just move on with the game and see what happens. Looks a lot better. and it's playing quite fine. But once again, with the frame cap on, I have to keep the frame cap on just so that it doesn't go too high over the limit, which kind of sucks, to be honest with you. Really sucks. Are you gonna get these micro stutters? This is what happens when you don't have enough RAM and the game isn't optimized. This is simply an example to show you guys that not everything in the world is okay.
There's no other way around. We've got to go through it.
How the hell did I spin out like that? What the heck? Believe me, even when it looks like it's saying 7.3, it's actually probably over 10 gigs of RAM that is pretending to have right now just to keep up. It's not great. Really ain't great. But I wanted to just show you guys the update on Forza, just to let you guys know that updating your drivers and using the crack update definitely makes the gameplay better. You can check out my previous video for the update that I had. Definitely recommend using that, although it does restart your saves if you use it. Keep that in mind. Normally it was for people who I don't couldn't even get the game to run in the beginning. People were like, hey, it messed up my save. I'm like, you played the game? Why the hell are you taking my damn save then?
No, that's fine.
But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this. Don't forget, please leave a like, comment, share, subscribe, and stick around for more epic content. Smash that like button if you enjoy this type of content where I show you how to run these games, man. And the issues with running games with damn it, Rooster, seriously? With underdeveloped specs. Specs are everything. Without proper specs. Now this is a good area because this area is a bit small. There's no cars driving around, so you will be able to keep the 60 FPS here, but Flamingo is, and it runs a lot better here at 60 FPS. Obviously, I had it uncapped earlier just to show you guys how it performed. Now we had a lot of issues there, so that's why I decided I'll show you it at 60. I actually looked away just now, so that's why I kind of just randomly went into the area. If you were wondering, like, why are you driving into the forest like that? Like, I looked away from the screen. So in this area here, we're gonna uncap it again and see what happens. Nothing good, I'll tell you that much. I don't even want to carry up the resolution anymore, because the graphics anymore, because I don't have the RAM for it. I simply do not have the RAM for it. But anyway, what was I about to do? Alright, why did I even come here? I have it capped with MSI. And here we are, where it manages to maintain it now. There's not as much things on screen, so it can maintain it. But anyway, I'll see you guys next time. Once again, this has just been a video to show you guys how it was running, and yeah, bada boom, bada bing. Bye.